Greetings everyone. Today, I, Prasha Jain and my friend Tanvi Rawat of class 10th Bhavan Public School are here to present our project providing audibility to deaf by IR Light. So firstly, let us know that what is exactly a hearing aid. A hearing aid is a small electronic device worn in or behind the ear that helps you hear better. It amplifies some noises so that someone with hearing loss can hear them.
Let us know about the structure of hearing aid. A microphone, amplifier and speaker are three essential components of hearing aid. A microphone takes sound and transforms it into electrical signals which are then sent to an amplifier in the hearing aid. The amplifier boosts the signal power before sending it to the ear through a speaker.
This can be very restricting. Electrical impulses, for example, are transferred to the brain via 8 electrodes in the inner ear, where vibrations give information to the brain. This means that just 8 sound frequencies can be heard.
The aim of our project is to let deaf people hear through the infrared lights. It also aims to send signals through optical fibers to the brain, and in this effort we have introduced a new measure of speech performance in noise.
It has a microphone, amplifiers and 5 infrared LEDs. 3 of which are positioned in small forward-facing reflectors and 2 of which are oriented upwards. The 5 LEDs are arranged in such a way that the light signal is emitted in virtually all directions, allowing reception from almost every direction in the room. To hear the transmitted IR signal, the listener does not need to maintain a direct line of sight in the room enclosure.
The IR aid consists of two components, a microphone and transmitter given to the speaker and a receiver given to the listener. In the transmitter, the speaker's voice is first transformed into an electrical signal by the microphone. This electrical signal is then used to modulate an invisible IR light being produced by each LED. The modulated light carries the auditory message, is then received by the listener, where it is converted back into an electrical signal, which is amplified and used to drive the listener's earpiece.
So here is the transmitter circuit and here is the receiver circuit that we have used in our project.
IR light is a part of electromagnetic spectrum. People encounter these waves every day, but our eyes can't detect it. However, we detect it as heat.
Let us know about the advantages of our project. Compared to the electrical based implants, optical devices would work better with the body. Infrared transmission requires minimum power to operate. An optical cochlear implant will allow deaf people to once again enjoy the music. The infrared signal is different because it is more focused. With optical stimulation, there is a possibility of hearing hundreds and thousands of frequencies instead of just 8. And the most important, it can be set up at a low cost. So here are some pictures regarding our project.
We would like to thank our science teachers, Ms. Hayat Fatima, Ms. Neelam Joshi and Ms. Mamta Thakkar, who gave us an excellent opportunity to start this project and supported us in completing it. We would also like to thank our principal sir, Mr.